In this video, we will discuss about how we can slice a substring within a string. Slicing is mainly used to extract a substring from a string or a set of characters from the string array. We can use the colon operator with the start and end index. Slice operator also can be used to slice the string. Slicing can be done from anywhere in the string. It can be done from start, middle, or from the end. Let's try to print a range of characters using string slicing. We will use the same string variable used in the previous video on string arrays. Once executed. The first print statement with just a colon print all the characters of the array. The second print statement starts from the third character and prints all characters till the end of an array. The third print starts from 1 and ends at 4. The starting character are considered as it is, but from the ending character we need to reduce 1. So basically, it's from 1 till 3 index of the array, and that's why it will print ELL and not ELLO. Similarly, for fourth print statement, the start of array is not mentioned, but the end is mentioned as -5. This means that it will print the value from -8 till -6. As for positive indexing, we were reducing 1 index from the end. Similarly, for the backward indexing also we need to reduce 1 index. If we reduce -1 from -5, it will be equal to -6. So it will print the values as HEL. Adding one more print statement for backward indexing where only the starting index is known and not the ending index. So in this case the index range will be from -5 till -1. Once executed. So it prints the value as LO_PY. These are the different ways in which we can slice the character from forward and backward direction from strings.